How to install the harness. To install the upper strap, prepare a 4 mm Allen key. Method 1. Use the 4 mm Allen key, screw, and nut cap to fasten the upper strap to the backrest plate. Method 2. Shoulder strap guide. Step 1. Use the 4 mm Allen key, 2 sets of screws and nut caps to fasten the shoulder strap guide to the backrest plate. Step 2. Use the 4 mm Allen key to fasten the upper strap to the shoulder strap guide. To install the lower strap, prepare a 3 mm Allen key, a 4 mm Allen key, and a 10 mm open-end wrench. Method 1. Seat rail. Step 1. Use 4 mm Allen key, 10 mm open-end wrench, screw, and nut cap to fasten the lower strap to the fixing plate. Step 2. Use the 3 mm Allen key to remove the cap at the back of the seat rail. Step 3. Place the fixing bracket and slide it to the desired. Step 4. Use the 4 mm Allen key to fasten the fixing plate to the bracket. Step 5. Install the cap back to the seat. Method 2. Backrest plate. Use the 4 mm Allen key, screw, and nut cap to fasten the lower strap to the backrest plate.